In today's lesson, we're going to talk about subtracting with unlike denominators. So in our last lesson, we were adding with different denominators in our fractions, and today we're going to be subtracting. Some of it is the same and some of it's a little different. We're going to be using our fraction tiles, so make sure you have them with you while we do the video so you can do these along with me. Okay, let's take a look at our first problem. Okay. It says, Mario fills a hummingbird feeder with 3/4 cups of sugar water on Friday. On Monday, Mario sees that 1/8 cup of sugar water is left. How much sugar water did the hummingbirds drink? How much sugar water did the hummingbirds drink? So he put 3/4 of a cup in on Friday, and he went back after the weekend was over and saw there's only 1/8 of a cup left. Right? So the hummingbird drank a lot of the sugar water. We want to know, well, how much of the sugar water did the hummingbird drink? All right, so to do that, we're going to be subtracting. We're going to be doing 3/4 minus 1/8. So we're going to go ahead and model this problem with our fraction tiles. Okay, so grab your fraction tiles. We're going to need fourths and eighths and our whole frame. All right, so here is my whole frame, and we are doing the problem 3/4 minus 1/8. Okay, so we're going to model it a little differently than how we model our addition. When we're adding, we're putting the two pieces together. When we're subtracting, I know we've said this in class before, when we're subtracting, we're comparing, we're finding the difference between two numbers. So first I'm going to put my 3/4 out. That's my larger number that I'm starting with, 3/4. And we know that that's how much water he put in the hummingbird feeder. And when he came back on Monday, there's only 1/8 left. And we're going to put that underneath. We're not putting it over here. We're not adding our numbers. We're not adding them. We're finding the difference between the two numbers. Here's our one number. Here's our other. What's the difference? How much larger is this number than this? So we're looking for the difference. We're trying to figure out what goes here and the difference between our two numbers, okay? So remember that this is our 8th. So I'm going to find out, well, what tiles with the same denominator, so they're all going to be the same color, will fill in this exact space. Okay, so let's see. Okay, well, a half is too small. If I try to put another half here, that would be way too big. That's not going to work. What if I tried thirds? Ooh, it looks like it works, but it's not. It's a little too big, so it's not thirds. If I tried fourths, I can already see that that's not going to fit. If I try another one, and you don't even have this many fourths at home. Okay, that doesn't work. I'm going to try fifths. Again, if I move too fast for you and you're trying these out, go ahead and pause the video and then play it again once you have it filled out. Oh, this looks like it's almost there, but it's not. It's so close. Fifths, 4/5 is too large. 3/5 is too small. Let's try 6. See? Oh, 4/6 is too large. 3/6 is too small. How about 8? What do you think, guys? Aha, my 8s fit perfectly. Now remember, this is the 8th that we already have, so I'm just going to count these 8s right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 8s. So 3/4 minus 1/8 equals 5 8s. Equals 5 8s. All right, let's try one more example. Let's do the problem 2/3 minus 1/6. pause the video and model that with your one frame. 2/3. And so I'm going to put my 2/3 here. I'm subtracting, I'm taking away 1/6. I'm going to line it up underneath, and I want to find the difference between the two of them. What is going to fit in this space here? All right, what's fitting in that space there? Will 1/2 work? Oh, look at me. First try. Look at that. How perfect. 1/2 fits right in here between 1/3, 1/6, and the end of our 2/3. So 2/3 minus 1/6 equals 1/2. All right, remember our steps. You're going to put your larger number that comes in the beginning of our problem. Underneath, we're going to put our fraction that we're subtracting, that we're taking away, and we're going to try to figure out, well, what fraction bars that are all the same denominator will fill in this space here to find our answer. So that's what you're going to be working on. Use your fraction tiles today. You're going to be using them a lot to figure out your answers to the problems in your CAMI page.